Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain you what is difference between this format specifier, that is %s, and percentage in rectangle braces $n. Okay. So basically whenever we want to take input a string from the user, then we use this %s if we want to store that particular string directly in character array. Okay, otherwise we have to take for loop just to iterate character array. Okay, but it is convenient way, easy way to take input from the user using this %s, that is as for string. Now that is this format specifier also used to take input from the user, which is in string format. Okay, so now let's see what is difference between these two format specifier. Okay, so in this program I have already written the code to explain you. So there is nothing but two character arrays, string 1 and string 2. After that, printf enter value of string 1. Okay, so you can see over here I have used this format specifier to take input from the user. Okay, and this is the string 1 in which I want to store my user input. Okay, after that, value of string 1 is string 1. Okay, over here let me put single. Okay, so value of string 1 I have just printed out. After that, printf enter value for string 2. Okay, and over here scanf %s, that is the typical way to take input from the user. Okay, now let's see what is different between these two format specifier. Okay, so let me compile this program. You need to be careful while writing this particular code. For example, some students they write print only, or either they forgot t or they forgot semicolon. Okay, successfully compiled. Now run this program. So let's say for string 1 I am giving value Parul, after that space Vagamshi. Okay, that is my name, Vagamshi. Okay, so value of string 1 is Parul Vagamshi. You can see I have given input Parul space Vagamshi. Okay, now just okay, enter value for string 2, and here also I am providing value just like the same, Parul Vagamshi, and enter. So you can see over here it's just Parul. Okay, so from this program you can see when I have used this percentage rectangle braces $n, that over here white space is also considered as input. Okay, and it will take input until user press enter. Okay, so this in this format, this particular format, white space is not considered as stop of the input, whereas in %s you can see over here I have written the same value Parul space Vagamshi, but over here in string 2 value is just stored until the white space counted only Parul. Okay, so once space is encountered in %s, it will not considered as an input for that particular variable. Okay, so that is just a difference. If you are being asked to write what is difference between %s and this format specifier, then you should explain this program, okay, in your way. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.